Dinner is ready now, my children. Come closer.
Is that really all we have tonight?
Yes, just for tonight. We will manage somehow.
Will there be enough for all of us?
We will share this little dinner together tonight.
Mom, what about you? You need food too. I ate earlier, so do not worry about me. You are lying. I can see that.
Tonight, you and Mia need it more.
We can all share it a little bit.
My sweet girl, you always have a kind heart.
I will bring food home after school tomorrow too.
What do you mean by that, Toby?
It's just some dinner, Mum. I will save my school dinner for us.
You need to eat at school, my boy.
You need food too, Mom. So does Mia. Toby is always helping everyone at home.
And that is why I am proud of him.
Will tomorrow be better for us? Yes. It has to be better tomorrow.
Hi, Toby. Good morning to you.
Morning, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Good morning to you, too.
Did you sleep well last night, Toby?
I don't know.
A little. That is enough for now. Hey.
Look who came to school hungry again.
It's a tower. Do not start this again, Oliver. Yeah. I can hear your stomach from here. Leave him alone, Oliver. Stop being cruel. I am only telling the truth here.
Please take out your reading books now.
Okay, I am doing that now. The soup smells really good today. Yes. It smells warm and nice. Are you going to eat outside again today? I want to take this food home. You saved your lunch yesterday too, Toby. Mom and Mia need it more tonight. You are a very good brother, Toby. Mom will be happy today, I hope. Please, help me if you can. Sir? Are you all right over there?
I am sorry, boy. I scared you.
Are you okay? You look very weak.
I have not eaten since yesterday morning. Oh, no.
Oh no. That is really bad.
Do not worry. I will be fine somehow.
This food was for my family tonight. But you need it more right now. For me?
For me? You are giving this to me?
Please eat it now, sir.
You are giving away your family's dinner.
You are hungry, and I can help.
Thank you, my boy. Thank you so much.
It is okay. Please just eat slowly.
What is your name, kind boy?
My name is Toby, sir. Toby?
Toby, where is your family right now?
At home. They were waiting for this.
This food was really for them?
Yes, but they can wait one more night.
You gave your family's dinner to me.
Please finish it. I will go home now. Toby is home now at last.
Where is the food you brought home?
I gave it to someone who needed it. Yeah. To who did you give it? An old man in the alley. He was starving.
That was our dinner tonight, Toby. Toby?
I know. I am really sorry, Mom. Was he very hungry, angry, and weak? Yes, he was very hungry.
Then you did a hard, kind thing.
You are not angry with me?
We are hungry, but kindness still matters.
You are a very good boy, Toby.
We have a visitor here today, students.
Who do you think it is, Toby?
It is him. The Wikingo?
The man from yesterday.
This is Mr. Leo, our guest today.
Yesterday, a boy saved me from hunger.
Toby. Was it really Toby? I only gave him my dinner.
He gave me his family's dinner to eat.
I knew Toby was truly kind.
Years ago, I owned a bakery in this town. I lost everything when I became sick and alone. But this boy gave me hope again.
Toby, please come forward to us now.
Me? Meh? You want me to come there?
Yes, Toby, please come here, my boy.
I want to help your family now.
Help us? Do you really mean that? No.
I am opening my bakery again very soon.
And your mother can work with me.
Really? Is that truly possible for us?
Kindness builds a future for people.
I was wrong about you, Toby. Then be kinder next time, Oliver.
Your kindness fed us too, my son.
I gave my dinner to a stranger, and kindness brought hope back to our home.